Good morning, sixth grade. Hey, Alex. I deeply apologize for being late. I've been testing today and I was behind since eighth grade. And I wanted to be fair and give my homeroom their time, so I will do the same for you. Since I started stream at 11:15, I will stop at 12:15. If you have a class to go to, you're obviously excused. You won't be penalized. Again, I apologize for starting late. However, hey, Alana, we're gonna start a warm-up, but the warm-up is actually from Unit 2, Lesson 8, because there was a question in my homeroom about it, and it does seem like some students in our class are also struggling with it. So I am gonna go ahead and go over it, but extremely quickly, because I need to get you guys into your test. And I want to make sure that you have enough time to be successful. All right. So the warm up is asking you, and you might recognize it from an assignment that you did, because many of you did do well. How much do 20 bags of rice cost if the 2 bags are $3? 2 bags are $3. Let's answer that. So 20 bags, we want to know the cost for 20 bags, and we're given that 2 bags cost $3. On Google Classroom, it's this assignment right here. Looks like this. So I'm going to start it off by putting the double number line, and I'm basically doing this so that students have a reference. They are telling us that the top one is cost in US dollars. The bottom is the amount of rice, and they're measuring it with a discrete number because it's just counting the bags of rice. And they start you off with 0, 0, and 3, 2, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 more tick marks. Please don't add more tick marks. Just go by what they represented. If you want to do the tiny one in the middle, that's acceptable because they do ask us the cost per bag, and per bag is not on here. Number one, I noticed 2 very important things about this assignment. First thing that I noticed is that students are not representing money accurately. When you get an answer of, let's say for this one, find the cost per bag. It costs $1.50 per bag. People were putting 1.5. That's not acceptable because it's money. The second thing that I noticed is that they weren't using complete sentences. You guys have to use complete sentences. And how did we know that per bag is $1.50? Well, 2 divided by 2 will give me 1, which means I have to do 3 divided by 2. And if I do 3 divided by 2, I get 1.5. And then this is where you make sense out of the 1.5. What does the 1.5 mean? Number 1 said at this rate, the rate that they gave us, the $3 for 2 bags, how much can you buy with $12? Well, what are we skip counting by? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. How much can I buy for $12? 8 bags can be purchased with $12. Complete sentence. And we accurately represent 8 bags of rice would be even better. Okay, and then this is the one that I had the question about from the other class, and that's why I'm going over it briefly. At the bottom, it's asking how much would 20 bags cost? Now, 20 bags is not on here, and you're not required to put it on here and start making it look some type of way. But how do I get from 10 to 20? Just multiply by 2. Multiply by 2, because you have, for equivalent ratios, you have to multiply by the same factor. How much do 20 bags of rice cost? 20 bags of rice costs $30. Okay? If you guys have any questions following up with that, please let me know. Otherwise, I really would like to get started into the test. We have